constellation, belt of Orion.
Ooh, yeah. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Haile Selassie Jah. Moambesa Zimnigi the Wuda Empress Menden Mama. Yeah, Guadalupe Wagwan. Easily well done, it's your Bridget Ivory Maya. Yeah, man. And we come to make you know on the 14th of December, we're having a beautiful, powerful, magnificent reggae concert highlighting our powerful, magnificent, excellent sister straight from St. Croix, USVI, Empress Dezarie, alongside the the reggae artist from DA, Rivernica, Dominica. Yeah, powerful energy for the people of Guadeloupe. One time bigging up the sponsors, big up Red Rock Cuisine, Rastafari with TV, Power of Reggae, Wairobi Cottage, Radio Sofa, Yeah, Altitude, Sochital, Roots Racing, Juiceman, JPMC, Fun Plus. Big up on yourself, of course. El Rastafari, blessed love. Oh, music is love. Rasta bringing musical love. And I be singing musical love. I be bringing musical love. Yeah, music is love. I tell you the music never leave me alone. Well, I will never leave it alone. Music even build me a home. Yeah, man, Guadalupe, you know, see it, I want perfect love, you know. Blessed, you know, soon time.
Yes, this December 14 in Latrium, in Bouillante, Guadeloupe. You don't know, it's gonna be a blazing fire. Empress Dezarie gonna be there. Fire Bright gonna be there. More reggae music gonna be there, you don't know. It's gonna be a blazing fire. It's gonna be a joy. We come to bring you happiness. You don't know, big up on the sponsors, you don't know, Red Rock Cuisine, Roots Racing, Rastafari Way TV. It's gonna be hot, blazing fire. You can't miss it, you know. You know it's gonna be on 14th of December, 7 p.m. Latrium, Bouillante, Guadeloupe. You don't know, here we come. Roots and Culture Festival. Big up on yourself. See you there. Can't miss it. One love Rastafari. Blessed love.
Yeah. Well, this is the man Simba Orchestra inviting you to the Roots and Culture Festival at Latrium, Guadeloupe. Gets open at 7 p.m. Yes, we have the Empress from the VI, Empress Dezarie, and we have artists them from Dominica like Fire Bright, Kali I, Jarise, Dr. Silv, and many more. Yes, don't miss it. Make sure you're there. Big up the sponsors like Rastafari Way TV, Power of Reggae, Why Worry Cottage, Sochital, JPMC, Fun Plus, and Roots Racing. Remember, make it at it. Don't be late. Don't miss it. Sin, thing gonna be lit. Fire. Yes, Guadeloupe. Move.
People, blessed love, Rastafari. And I Woods Mosiah I vous donne rendez-vous le samedi 14 décembre à l'Atrium à Bouillante pour un big show. And I et bien d'autres seront première partie de l'Empress Powerful Artist. Nous venons tout droit des îles Vierges de St. Croix. Dezarie, yeah! Venez nombreux sous la bannière, car le feu sera chaud en grâce. Allez, c'est là, c'est Dieu, Rastafari, boum!
The mission accomplishing. Lion. Some of them stand up for the right thing. Lion is lion. Provider, protector. Lion is lion. King Selassie is soldier. Lion is lion. The red, gold and green man. Lion is lion. In the ghetto, in the project, them